हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मिस्टर इकबाल। लेकर आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं एक जेसीबी, वो भी इंजेक्शन पाइप और कैटून की मदद से। अगर आप लोग अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दीजिए। एडिटर रोल द इंट्रो।
Tell what you got going on, girl, no. Would you trust me enough? Going city to city and in places that you don't know. Yeah, I'm tired of sending these texts I know you don't care about. I put it all on my chest, come on girl, let's air it out. But I know you on games, you tryna play around. But I know you won't change, you wanna wait around. She don't know about you and I, but it's time to decide. Keep me close, and eye for an eye, keep you right by my side. No more breathing, resuscitation, you can't save me. No hunting, yeah. Guess I'll pay for what you make me. Would you hold me tight, like you never did on the story, no praise. Don't over with, there's nothing I can say to you. Shawty, I just cut the beat and put some bass in it. Gotta give you that face and you can say with it. Got some critics on the net I would not fade with. Baby, love is something I would never play with. Girl, can I get so annoying, yeah. Do you love me enough? I can never tell what you got going on, girl, no. Would you trust me enough? Going city to city and in places that you don't know. Yeah, I'm tired of sending these texts I know you don't care about. I put it all on my chest, come on girl, let's air it out. But I know you on games, you tryna play around. But I know you won't change, you wanna wait around. She don't know about you and I, but it's time to decide. Keep me close, and eye for an eye, keep you right by my side. No more breathing, resuscitation, you can't save me. No hunting, yeah. Guess I'll pay for what you make me. Would you hold me tight, like you never did on the story, no praise. Don't over with, there's nothing I can say to you. Shawty, I just cut the beat and put some bass in it. Welcome to the kill zone.
I feel the silence chasing me. Shadows follow me everywhere I go. Danger's near, I can feel it.
Say my name, feel that flame. Welcome to the kill zone.
गाइस, तो यार फाइनली हम लोगों ने 2 दिन मेहनत कर एक जेसीबी तैयार कर दिया है। आप लोग देख सकते हो, आप कुछ इस तरीके से है। और हम लोग आइए, हम लोग इसे चला कर देखते हैं। गाइस तो यार आई होप वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो। अच्छा लगा तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक का बटन जरूर दबा दें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो किसी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Do you love me or not? I can never tell what you got going on, girl, no. Would you trust me or not? Go and